Hello guys, I hope you're quite well. These are minimal black business card template. You can easily download from the link in the description. These are in PSD format, PSD files. You can just need to click on the link in the description. You will reach my website bulk GFX and you can download from here or simply search here minimal black business card. So here are the template. Just verify it to be open. Yes, here it is. You can see these are completely customizable in black color, and you can also change the color and also change its element background, anything. Totally customizable from here. You can change the text, just double click replace, and now for Thomas I will write GFX. Control S for save, and it will be saved. So you can put your information here, your phone number, your office, your email, your website, your name, so on. And here is the back of the card, I guess. Just wait for it to be open. Yes, you can see one name multimedia, completely customizable again. You can also put your logo over here, your text, change the text, write any, again control S for save, so on. You can easily download from the link in the description from here. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this data is quite useful for you. Take care.